Single file, go at the gate. Make sure you have your boarding pass. No pets, no excess luggage. You only have pretty much the room on board the aircraft.
I've been here 6 years, and it's very hard to see this. I was here through the UN operation, and all the time and that went into that process.
Is he here or not? Be Chin Ho, Be Hai Seng. Be Hai Seng.
Yang Phante,
Yang Phante,
Me Chakara,
4 years ago, these people won their first free vote after more than 20 years of terror and dictatorship. Today, the government they elected, Prince Ranarid's Funcinpec party, has been destroyed. As fear and uncertainty again descend over Cambodia, these farmers and labourers pray for protection in the dangerous months ahead. But for Mrs. M. Seng, her thoughts are not with the future, but with the dead. After prayers, Seng visits her cousin, Can Kim, at the capital's main hospital. Like thousands of other civilians, Can Kim and her family had nowhere to hide when the coup was launched on the streets of Phnom Penh. Can Kim has survived American bombing, Khmer Rouge horrors and the invading Vietnamese army. Over the past few years, she thought her misery had ended, but it took just a few days for that illusion to be shattered.
Prime Minister, why did there have to be a coup? Prime Minister, why did there have to be a coup?
Hun Sen's soldiers achieved in just a few days what years of politics had denied him: absolute power. After years of running the country, Hun Sen's Cambodian People's Party, or CPP, lost the UN-sponsored elections in 1993. But it was a result he never accepted, forcing his way into a power-sharing deal with the winning Funcinpec party. This month's coup was the final step in retaking power, and the international outrage that's caused is of little concern to him. The ASEAN group that you've mentioned, and even the US and other countries, are in fact voting, if you like, with their feet. They are telling their nationals to leave. Some countries have suggested, sir, that you should reinstall the joint government. Will you do that?
Kids, hi. Subscribe. Hi, darling. Hi. Hey. Hi, it's Mum. It's Mum, okay. Seeker Soul has got a shrapnel wound in the mouth and another wound on the side of his body. and I got him a job at Funcinpec headquarters, where he was, starting to learn computers and everything like that. And he was captured and shot over the weekend during the coup, which no one calls a coup.
Over the past few weeks, Geraldine Cox, an Australian, has risen to prominence in Phnom Penh for her outspoken criticism of the new regime. This orphanage she runs part-time was looted by Hun Sen soldiers and may now be seized for use as a military base.
We've got drugs for him now. Hi, darling.
But Geraldine was more than just a mother to these children. She was a senior aide to Prince Runarid and an advisor to the Funcinpec cabinet, and today is the last Funcinpec voice in Phnom Penh which will not be silenced.
You won't find any Funcinpec person or cabinet staff of the Prince that would be brave enough to talk to anybody. They won't even talk to each other right now. I know most of them that haven't got out of the country are in hiding. At least 6 of my colleagues that I work with have taken great risk to come to my house to beg me for money because they want to get out of the city and they haven't got any money to move because all the banks are closed. And the fear is like visible, and you will not find any Funcinpec person to talk to. I'm taking a lot of risks talking to you now, but I'm counting that the visibility I have in being a foreigner might help.
What exactly are they afraid of?
They're afraid of being assassinated, being thrown in the river with their families, and everybody from their grandparents to their grandchildren killed, as has already happened.
Unlike Hun Sen, this man, a Funcinpec Member of Parliament, was elected to run the country. Today he's in hiding and desperately trying to flee Cambodia. His parliamentary identification proved little protection when Hun Sen soldiers came to his home. Although he's an MP in danger of assassination, no foreign government will help him leave the country. His only hope is a secret network of individuals prepared to take the personal risk to smuggle him and others like him through the airport to safety.
He just called you earlier on to block one ticket. Please keep it blocked. I'm on my way to the airport. I will be there in 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, thank you. One ticket.
Nè, quật cho bác chia là thị cùng mình đại ca hơi tại quật như dê chùm ho tâu mà tệ on trạ chiết mà tệ chiết cứ quật thôi là o trong còi đi đối chứ này khi tâu ní tiền thực này tệ tiền thực này tiền riêng chùm.
For human rights lawyer Brad Adams, the fears of Funcinpec members are well-founded. In recent days, 40 party workers have been executed and hundreds detained.
The Funcinpec party as we knew it no longer exists. The leadership has been forced out of the country They're grasping for a reason to exist. Most of the people who continue to participate in FUNSIMPEC on a political basis are doing so on the basis of fear, implied and expressed threats, fears for the safety of their family members and fear for the safety of their subordinates. The opposition press has disappeared. Before the coup d'etat, there were 19 newspapers that took an opposition line. All of them have closed. All of the editors and journalists of those newspapers are in fear. Many of them.
For Brad, the people being victimized have also been betrayed.
Many people were not willing to participate in the political process in Cambodia or in human rights activities, except for the clear support of the international community. The international community told Cambodians it is now safe. Participate, we will support you. And now we see that even in an extreme situation, when people are requesting asylum or requesting sanctuary from Western countries, are asking them for assistance to get on airplanes, to have a few dollars to get out of the country, that they're being turned down.
How does that make you feel, having worked so closely with it ever since then?
I'm embarrassed that the rest of the world has abandoned these people. These people entered politics and entered into human rights work at grave personal risk, and we have now pulled the rug out from under them.
Having scared away many of the most effective opponents, a confident Hun Sen is strengthening his control. He denies the battle for Phnom Penh was a coup, saying he was just responding to an illegal military build-up by Prince Ranarid. He repeatedly tells the people Ranarid betrayed the nation by trying to form a secret alliance with their worst enemy, Pol Pot's remaining hardline Khmer Rouge. His charges are partly true. Many were dissatisfied with Ranarid's autocratic leadership style, but few see the claims as little more than a pretext for the violent overthrow of Cambodia's elected leader. To help him sell the idea to a sceptical world, Hun Sen has found someone more to his liking to replace Prince Ranarid as first premier.
Thank you.
Senior FUNSIMPEC member and Foreign Minister Ong Hut admits he's been approved by Hun Sen for the top job, but declares his independence for next year's election.
Free and fair election, yes. This me and Samdech Hun Sen decide that we're going to have a free and fair election, no violence, no intimidation. Whoever win will win, and whoever lose will accept. So that I want to guarantee the international community and you all. You will be here.
The people who are staying are being asked to support the new FUNSIMPEC, which is a sham party. It's a party that will be a satellite of the CPP. It will be used only to give legitimacy to what happened to the coup d'etat that took place last weekend, so that some semblance of a government, some semblance of a National Assembly can be continued, so that they can go forward to elections and say that there is pluralism, that there is still a multi-party democracy in Cambodia.
As an independent FUNSIMPEC disintegrates, another party official secretly heads for the airport. Hong Dara is the head of FUNSIMPEC security and has lists of every official and party worker in the country. He's convinced he'll be tortured and killed if he's caught, but Australia refused his specific request for political asylum and sanctuary, and no other embassy would help him leave.
មិនយូរមិនឆាប់ការសម្លាប់រង្គាលក៏ចេះតែបន្តថយបាត់តែហ៊ុនសែននិយាយថាគេរក្សាសុវត្ថិភាពឲ្យប្រជាជនមែនឲ្យគេថាហ៊ុនសំពេចមែនប៉ុន្តែផ្ទៃក្នុងរបស់គេជាការសម្ងាត់របស់គេគេចាប់ភ្នាក់ងាររបស់គេតាមសម្លាប់អ្នកណាដែលមានពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹងហ៊ុនសំពេចសូម្បីតែបងប្អូនទាហានរបស់
It's the longest wait of Hong Dara's life as his documents are checked. Like many others denied the normal help of foreign embassies in times of crisis, a hastily obtained fake passport is his only way out. He gets through, but thousands more must stay behind to deal with Cambodia's new reality.
I can't tell you. Phone Simpai now staying in Phnom Penh. Phone Simpai headquarters now in Phnom Penh. Cooperating with the CPP for operate government and National Assembly.
But that seemed to be, sir, the use of force. Do you regret the use of force? That's what they seem to be complaining about. Do you regret the use of force?
I'm
afraid not. They use, not us. Why you continue to say like that? Rather than use the force. I don't use the force. I use the force to prevent them. You go to a long way yourself.
You can go to a long way.
Thank you, sir.
Hun Sen's unrelenting manoeuvres have again put him in the prime seat. Ranariddh threatens renewed civil war, and the new leadership may jeopardise much-needed foreign aid. But Hun Sen is making the biggest move of his political life, and it looks like he may get away with it.